Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Mazda BT50 single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4386. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front. We have the left-hand guard, which appears to have no damage. This vehicle is also fitted with 16-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear 16-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. Has an aftermarket alloy tray with ladder racks, all fittings. It's also got a centre drawer without keys. Aftermarket fast fit tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module with neck. Right hand rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right power door mirror in black, and right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.